Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to screen record today using Wondershare Filmora 12 in case you want to do a tutorial yourself, or you're doing or you need to show your face and also what you're going over. And I'm also going to discuss some of the text features. They have some new animation features I would like to discuss and show. Pretty easy to do and definitely something you can take advantage of even as a new person. If you want to screen record, you have two ways of doing this. You click on Wondershare Filmora 12, and when you're at the home page, you can click screen record, or you can click screen record from webcam here. PC webcam would be from your camera, PC screen obviously from your PC, and then you got record voice over. What I'll do today, I want to just grab some stock media. So we're going to grab this video here, and for this purpose we're just showing that the screen recording, how it's working, that you can see the video, and then I'm going to give a demonstration on some of the text. As always, just drag down to your timeline. You'll have all your options up here, your basic options, and that'll be another video to discuss. Today though, we're going to talk about titles. So when you get to the titles, click on titles and you go through whichever one you want. There's many types that are already made for you. I like some cinematic, but there's many choices you can choose depending on whatever you're doing. It shows trending, so you know which ones are the most popular. Let's go with something very basic, and there's nothing wrong with that, but let's do your title here. Alright, looks good, right? Just plain normal. So we drag down. Now once we drag this down to our timeline, you got to click on it to highlight to get options, and then you can click on it here. You can make it smaller, right? You can make it bigger, smaller, move it around. You can even shrink it this way. You can either turn it a little bit if you wanted to, move the screen around to where you want vertical, X, Y. All right, so we have this, and you have a opacity where you can make it lighter, like in the background, so your title's darker if you really want it to stand out. You also have these nodes here. You can set nodes to kind of make it, if you wanted to do a node, you just kind of so you click here, right, and you just start where you want to node it. And this is, say I click, and here you can change the scaling, right? Let's do a scale node. All right, so if I click here, and then I move it to here, and then do another node, it will make it look like it actually moved. And then if you actually drag this, I'd say a bigger percentage. Let's just say like 1,000. Alright, everyone's gonna hide. Let's just say, let me go. Alright, let's say 400. Just leave it at that. So if you already hit play on this, it's actually gonna look like the letters are moving. See how it looks like it's getting bigger? You can actually just do that to expand, to make it go off screen. You can even you can do different things with it. Go a little too big, go completely off screen, etc. Another thing I wanted to show today. So you have your title here, right? Here's a really cool function. If you go to animation, you have your ins, your outs, and your loops. The loops are real cool. You have cool, bright ones like that. You have the fire there. Look at that fire. I mean, it does it automatically for you, makes it look cool. Let's go. I like this text. So if I hit play, it moves like I showed you. Another cool option you have down here, you have advanced, and you can actually go to animation down here, and you can do different things as well. You can hit counter. You can pick anything. I just pick counter. So here's a counter. Just kind of goes like that. That's just a different options you can have. Now let's say you don't like that one. You can go back to advanced. You can go back to animation. You can click none, and it'll go back to the fire that we had earlier. That's all for today, and then when you're done screen recording, just hit F9 and it will stop.